You are a part of nature centering practice. Stop doing whatever you're doing and bring your attention to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, filling your lungs and your belly on the in-breath and releasing all tension and air from your body on the out-breath. Do this a few times. Now imagine that you are a beautiful tree. Imagine that you are a trunk of the tree and your spine is straight and yet it is flexible and free to choose to move. Allow your head to float up as it is being slightly lifted by the sky. And feel the strength of your legs and your body, which is giving you form and holding you upright. Just like a tree, notice you being supported by our planet Earth and by the ground beneath you. You can remain flexible yet firm, even in the strongest winds or storms. And now imagine the sunlight of the sun being absorbed through your body, through your arms, through your eyes, and through your entire skin, which is nourishing you from all sides. Now imagine that you have roots just like the tree has, and you take in support, grounding, and nurturing from the earth. If you can stand on grass while doing this exercise with barefoot, you can even feel the moisture of the grass and how that flows like energy through your entire body. Now take a moment to let the nature in. Take a moment to let everything which is surrounding you, the air, the sun, the ground beneath you, let that in. And see that with all of that, you're allowing nutrients from nature to nourish you with every breath you take, with everything you feel on your body, with every food you eat. You're taking in nature, you're taking in the miracles of nature, and you feel the stability and safety of your own self. You notice that the nature around you is itself a miracle, and you are part of that nature. You are a part of that miracle. And just like the nature is nourishing you through its light, through its warmth, you are also nourishing other people, other communities, relationships as you move along in life with your own flow, with your own light. So you're just letting the light of nature, the warmth of nature, the nourishment of nature flow through you as you move along and touch different people, communities, and relationships. And finish when you're ready with a deep breath and by feeling gratitude for the life that you have, for this miracle of your life, and for this moment when you turned your attention to yourself and your connectedness to the nature and to the miracle of your being in this moment. Express gratitude and take a few deep breaths as you end this exercise.